are going to look at vertex form, exploring vertex form, and we're going to use this equation of vertex form, a times x minus h squared plus k. And we're going to kind of figure out what each of these things are. I'm going to flip back and forth a lot from the Desmos calculator. So we're going to graph in Desmos x squared. So right here, I'm going to put in x. I click on this little hidden keyboard, hit the squared button, and I've got this equation right here. This is my vertex. It's right where the biggest dip goes. And I've got 0, 0. And the graph is, if we're looking at it one more time, is pointing up. The opening of the bowl is up. Okay, now we're going to change it. And instead of just our parent function of x squared, we are going to go ahead and look at x minus 5. So I'm just going to go back in here. I'm just going to add another one. There we go. X minus 5 squared. And we can see we've got the green that my vertex is right here, 5, 0. It does point up. How did the vertex shift from 0, 0, up, down, left, or right? It did, as you can see, between the blue and the green, it went to the right 5. Okay, now we're going to do another one. We are going to look at x plus 3 squared. So I am just going to do another one because I like looking at them side by side. I'm going to do x plus 3 squared. And I've got this purple one now. Okay, I've got my vertex right here, which is negative 3, 0. Let me move this up a little bit so it's in the right spot. It is still pointing up. How did it shift? It went to the left 3. So based on the results from these 3 questions, what does H in the vertex formula do? It moves the graph right or left. And so you're going to do the same thing with figuring out what the K does right here below. And this is the wrong equation right here. This should just say plus K. There shouldn't be this right here. There should be none of this. That should not exist. It should look the same as the top one. And we're going to figure that out. And then we are going to do the same thing, but we are going to change what is in front. And think about skinnier and wider. And this is just an exploration. And then we're going to do these without the graphing calculator to see if we've got it and then check it with it. So that is exploring vertex form.